Hello everyone, this is Priya from Tekriti Software, and today I'm going to discuss how to optimize the backend of a Drupal website using Devel module. Abhishek provided the technical contribution for this video. Abhishek works as a senior software engineer at Tekriti Software and he loves solving new technical challenges. Thank you Abhishek for your valuable contribution. We hope that this tip will be very useful for people looking to optimize their Drupal sites. Whenever we send a request to the server for loading a page, some queries are executed mostly to fetch the content that need to be displayed on that page. At times, it is possible that some queries are executed multiple times or some queries may take very long time to execute. This in turn affects performance of a website. In this presentation, we are going to see how to use Devel module to identify the queries that are getting executed on a particular page and how to optimize them. To explain it in a better way, we will use a basic Drupal installation. Go to drupal.org, search for the Devel module, download the module and place it under Drupal root directory, that is root/sites/all/modules/contrib. Go to Drupal admin panel and under modules, enable the Devel module. Now click on Save Configuration and save the changes. Now go to Configurations on Drupal admin panel and click on Devel Settings under Development. Let's see by opening the website. Now scroll down the screen and you get all the information regarding execution of queries. Here 23 queries are being executed in 25.37 milliseconds. We have highlighted execution time of those queries which took more than 5 milliseconds. Because the buffer is set to 5 milliseconds, the memory is also displayed at the same place. According to the current process, 2.07 MB memory has been used by booting of Devel modules, 16.12 MB memory used by shutting down of Devel module, and 17.5 MB memory by PHP peak respectively. The access is only given to the admin. No other person can access this module unless he has the admin permission. If admin wants to give the access to any other person, then some steps needs to be followed by admin. To get the clear idea of it, go to People on admin panel and click on Permission. Now again click on Permission. Here admin can give the access of Devel module to either anonymous user or any authenticated user. If for any user admin does not want to give the full access of these areas, which are access developer information, execute PHP code, switch users, then admin can do that by unchecking these checkbox. Here in admin column, all the checkbox are checked. That means admin has access for all these three areas. We use the Devel module to optimize the backend of a Drupal website so that we can stop a query for being executed again and again. In this way, we can increase the performance of our website. Use this module in your actual website. You will see a significant improvement in the performance. Thank you.